Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome back to this topic, which is system of or solving a system of linear equations into variables. The last part we discussed the substitution method and how to find the solution for a linear system using substitution method. In this part, we are going to use elimination method for solving a system of equations and explain this method by a couple of examples. In this example, we need to solve the system of equation by using the elimination method. Let's see what do we mean by elimination method. The elimination method, it means that we are going to eliminate one of the variables. Either I will eliminate x or eliminate y. And to eliminate one of the variables, it means that we are going to add the two equations or subtract so that one of the variables will disappear. Before doing that, if I have x and minus x, if we add this together, this will cancel each other. I will have 0. In this case, I will say we eliminated the variable x. And we cannot eliminate unless that these two variables have the same coefficient, but in the opposite sign. So it will be either 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, or 3, and minus 3. So the two variables in the two equations must have the same coefficients, but in the opposite sign, or the same sign, but in that case, we need to subtract. So for this example, now I need to solve 3x plus 4y equal to minus 5 and x minus 5y equal to minus 8. Now I can choose to eliminate either x or y. So for that, I want to eliminate the variable x. I'm going to eliminate x. I can eliminate x or y, but I will eliminate x. But if we check the coefficient for x, I have a 3 and 1. If we add them together, this will not eliminate the variable x. And also, if we subtract the two equations, it will not eliminate the variable x. So then the first step, I have to make the two coefficients are equal, but with the difference maybe signs. So the coefficient in the second equation is equal to 1. I will take the coefficient and multiply the first equation by the coefficient in the second equation, coefficient of x, it is 1. And I will take a 3 and multiply the second equation by 3. So multiply the first equation by the second coefficient and multiply the second equation by the first coefficient. But since they have the same sign, I will choose to be, one of them will be negative. So I'm going to choose the first one to be minus 1. I'm going to multiply the first equation by minus 1. If we multiply it by minus 1, minus 1 times 3, I will have minus 3. X minus 1 times 4, it will give me minus 4. Y equal to plus 5. Minus 1 times minus 5 equal to plus 5. Now the second equation we multiplied by 3. So 3 times x, I will have 3x. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Y equal to 3 times minus 8 equal to minus 24. Now add the two equations. If we add minus 3 with plus 3 will give me 0. So x is eliminated. We don't have any x anymore. So it is 0. Now minus 4, y minus 5, y or 15y will give me minus 19y equal to minus 19. Plus 5 minus 24 is minus 80, minus 19. Now divide by the coefficient of y, which is minus 19. This will give me y equal to 1. So we got the first variable. So I have y equal to 1. Now I will use this value of y to find the value of x. So I can substitute now y in the first equation or in the second equation. Now step number 2. Find x. In the first equation we have 3x minus 4y. I'm using the first equation now. 3x minus 4y equal to minus 5. So replace y by 1. I will have 3x is 3x minus 4 equal to minus 5, or 3x equal to minus 5 plus 4, that will equal to minus 1 divided by 3. I will have x equal to minus 1 over 3. So the solution for this system is x and y. And 1. So it is minus 1 over 3 and 1. So this is the solution for this system. You can take another one. Okay, for the next example. Okay, there's one mistake. This will be plus, not minus, it is a plus. So this will change plus, this will be plus. So we'll have minus there. So this will be minus 9, and x in this case will be minus 3, not minus 1 over 3. Minus 3. Have another example. 3x minus 8y equal to minus 6, and minus 5x plus 4y equal to 10, and I need to do it also using the elimination method. I'm going to use the second equation this time to write y as a function of x. As I said, we can use the first equation or the second equation, and I'm going to use the second equation. I have minus 5x plus 4y equal to 10. So 4y equal to 10 plus 5x, move this to the other side, divided by 4. I will have y equal to 10 plus 5x divided by 4. Again, this is by substitution, but I need to do it by elimination. I think I did a mistake in this one. For the elimination, I need to eliminate one of them, either x or y. So I'm going to eliminate y. Step number 1. Eliminate y. To eliminate y, I'm going to multiply the first equation by the second coefficient 4, and the second equation by the first coefficient, which is minus 8. So multiply the first equation by the second coefficient, and the second equation by the first coefficient, that will be minus 8. This will give me, multiplied by 4, will be 12x minus 32, y equal to minus 24. For the second equation, multiplied by minus 8 times minus 5 is equal to 40. X minus 32. Y equal to 10. And to eliminate y, you can see that we have the same sign. This is minus and this is minus. So if we add them together, this will not eliminate the variable y. So we can subtract. Subtract means we are going to change the signs for each one of them. This will be negative, positive, and negative. Now we can subtract 12 minus 40 is minus 28x. Minus 32 plus 32 will cancel each other. Minus 24 and minus 10. Not 10, this should be, so this should be minus 80. So this will be plus now. Because we multiplied minus 8 and 10, I get minus 80. Change the sign is minus 80. Minus 24 will give me this will be plus 56. So I have minus 28x equal to plus 56. Now divide by the coefficient of x. Divide by minus 28. I will have x equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Now I need to find the value of y. This will be the second step. We need to find the value of y. I can choose any one of the equation, either the first equation or the second equation. If we use the first equation, I have 3x minus 8y equal to minus 6. The first equation, we have 3x minus 8y equal to minus 6. So I replace x by minus 2. I will have 3 multiplied by minus 2 minus 8y equal to minus 6. This will give me minus 6 minus 8y equal to minus 6, and move this to the other side will give me positive. So it is minus 6 plus 6 or minus 8y equal to 0. This means y equal to 0. So the solution will be x and y, that is equal to minus 2 and, so the solution is minus 2 and 0. So again, elimination is means just to choose one of the variables to eliminate either x or y. Let's have another one. 4x minus 2y equal to 9 and 2x minus y equal to 3. Again, I need to eliminate one of the variables, either x or y. In this example, I'm going to eliminate the variable x. So multiply the second equation by 4 and the first equation by 2, or let's make it minus 2. But they have the same sign, so I will write one of them to be negative. So if you multiply, I will have, and the first equation will be minus 8x plus 4y equal minus 18. Second equation is 8x minus 4y equal to 12. Now if we add minus 8x will cancel 8x, 4y will cancel minus 4y, so I will have 0. In this case, it is 0. Equal to minus 18 plus 12 is minus 6. Now 0 and minus 6, they are not equal. 0 is not equal to minus 6. I can say this is not true. So this will give me, so we can say the system is inconsistent. You can say no solution. Or I say the system is inconsistent. So it is inconsistent, it means it has no solution, or I can say that two lines are parallel. It is like we have parallel lines, so it is inconsistent in this case. So this is how to find the solution of the linear system using elimination method. Just we need to eliminate one of the variables, either x or y. Eliminate x to find y, or eliminate y to find x, then substitute the value that you found in one of the equations to find the other variable.